Hey kids, clang clang, big machines are working. Let's learn construction vehicle names. Cement mixer. Cement mixer. Wow kids, it mixes cement. Round drum keeps spinning. Mix, mix. Bulldozer. Bulldozer. Hey kids, big strong blade. Pushes dirt easily. Push, push. Trencher. Trencher. Look kids, it digs long lines. Cuts the ground neatly. Dig, dig. Skid steer. Skid steer. Wow kids, small and fast machine. Turns very quickly. Zoom, zoom. Drilling machine. Drilling machine. Hey kids, it drills deep holes. Very strong and powerful. Drill, drill. Asphalt paver. Asphalt paver. Look kids, it makes smooth roads. Spreads hot asphalt. Smooth, smooth. Backhoe loader. Backhoe loader. Wow kids, 2 tools in one. Dig and load together. So useful. Compactor. Compactor. Hey kids, it presses the ground, makes it flat and hard. Roll, roll. Concrete pump. Concrete pump. Look kids, it pumps concrete high. Flows like liquid. Pump, pump. Dump truck. Dump truck. Wow kids, carries heavy loads. Dumps sand and rocks. Dump, dump. Wheel loader. Wheel loader. Hey kids, big front bucket. Lifts and moves dirt. Lift, lift. Garbage truck. Garbage truck. Look kids, collects waste. Keeps the city clean. Clean, clean. Crane truck. Crane truck. Wow kids, tall lifting arm. Lifts heavy things high. Up, up. Water tanker. Water tanker. Hey kids, carries lots of water. Sprays on roads. Splash, splash. Forklift. Forklift. Look, kids, it lifts boxes up, moves heavy goods easily. Lift, lift.